Okay, welcome to Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel, and we just arrived in Nassau not too long ago. And I just wanted to show, I believe this is the strip of land that Royal Caribbean wants to develop. It doesn't look like they've started, but I believe this is the strip of land that they want to develop. And you'll also see in the background Nassau Paradise Island. There was oh, they're in the water now. I don't know if you can see it. A parasailer. A lot of people say there's not much to do in Nassau, but I disagree. We are about to go to Margaritaville. There's also Bahamas water park. There's Blue Lagoon Island. There's land and sea tours. They also have what are the underwater, but you're not underwater. It's almost like you're in a submarine. Yeah. And so you don't even have to get wet, and you get to see all of the water life. So this is us docking in Nassau, and then I will just do a little one of Margaritaville. Okay, this is Nassau. We just got off the ship, and we are going to walk all the way down and over to the new park. Okay, I know normally I don't have a lot of people in my videos, but this is very hard because there are a lot of people. But there's a screen that is absolutely beautiful as we're coming up onto the new section of the Nassau Port. Okay, here you can see where some of the boats can pull up and actually pick up people right here at the port. So that is something that's really convenient. And then you'll see that there's the walkway, but then they have this nice wide path for carts to go through, and possibly a tram. We only seen a go-kart, but maybe they have a tram in the works in the project. And here you can see excursions, people who have excursions, and where they're going into a line that goes into this section. Oh, sorry, my finger's all in the way. And there's the boats that are picking all of them up, take them on excursions. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. It's a beautiful screen. Absolutely beautiful. And this is a screen as you're coming off the ship, walking down the pier. There we go. Wow. There's the museum. Oh, they even have a directory of all the little things that they have here. Tours, welcome center, taxis, the Cable Beach taxis to Atlantis. And here's the port marketplace. Some places don't look open though, and then others, like down here, it looks like there's a lot more shops open. This is more of the shops that they have out there. Very nice. A lot of shops.
I bet you did.
There was a seating area too. I'll try and get maybe a photo or something of that later. It's almost unrecognizable.